Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel. Real quick, we want to talk about my 2017 Jeep Cherokee Latitude. That's right. Y'all see that? Do y'all see what has happened to your boy car? Okay. Now this was no fault of her own. She was at a restaurant and somebody simply bagged into it. Just kept on going. Oops, they just pulled a oops and kept on moving. Now the dilemma I'm having is whether I should call my insurance company or just tackle it myself. As you can see, man, I'm so glad they spared the headlight, because I think this is the most expensive part on the car as far as the bumper and the fender goes. So what I'm thinking, I'm gonna have to convert to a body man. I don't really do body work. No big fan of body work at all, but because body work is not body work anymore, it's just parts replacing. I mean, in fact, we have to take bumpers off to do radiators on some cars, so I have a lot of experience as far as taking the complete bumper off. And as far as this, it's just simply a fender. Okay, let me pop this hood so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Okay, yes, this is just simply a fender right here. As you can see, held on by bolts, man. No big deal. I think the old way of doing body work has changed tremendously. Look, screw right there, screw right here. What am I saying? Screw bolts right here. Just held on by nuts and bolts, man. So I'm sure I can just replace this complete fender. Although some body guys would try to repair that, I'm sure this fender can't be that expensive. And then because I work at a Chrysler dealer, surely I can get a discount. So I might just try. I don't know, what y'all think? Leave a comment below, man. Y'all think this something your boy can do? Like I say, I'm taking a gazillion bumpers off to do radiators, condensers, things like that, but I've never tampered into body work. So I think I see 3 parts now I know I'm gonna need. This wheel well panel, this fender, and a bumper. Okay, thank God they spared this. Like I say, that's probably the most expensive thing. These LED lights, I don't know if these LEDs or not, but they look expensive. And besides, the fender has shifted a little bit, so maybe I can just keep that $500 deductible that I would have to pay and avoid a claim, an insurance claim. And I might not even be out of $500 myself, and just do it myself. Okay, so yeah, man, good boy, somebody hit and run while she was at the restaurant. We really didn't know because it's black. We didn't really recognize or notice it was there until the very next morning. Very next morning, we went to the garage to go to work that morning. What the hell happened? Man, it's all this look pretty simple, but boom, boom, and boom. That's it. Thank you for whoever hit me. I appreciate you leaving that. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna end this video. I just wanted to get on and tell you your boy finna convert to body man, do some body work. All right, so let me get on out of here. Matter of fact, I'll use this video as before pictures, and I'll show y'all the after picture. Now, again, I'm not sure you can, I don't even know if you can buy this already painted. I might have to get the paint code off the VN, and hopefully you can buy this already painted, so I can just install it. Or get it painted before I install it. You body man, you body men, what y'all think? I don't know, man, but we'll see. All right, so I'm gonna get this fixed, and I'll show you how I did later. Give me a week, baby. Give me a week. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.